Ukraine is continuing its deep strikes on Russian-held territory. But now, they again went one step ahead and attacked a base on Russian soil. Explosions have occurred at Primorsko-Akhtarsk Air Base in Russia. The base is home to the Russian 960th Assault Aviation Regiment, which deploys 2 squadrons of Su-25 strike aircraft against Ukraine. And there is more. The area near the territory of the military airfield in Primorsko-Akhtarsk is from where the Russians usually launch Shaheed drones. And the Ukrainian Ministry of Defense has published this intriguing video for the Russians currently on the beaches of temporarily occupied Crimea. Let's see what's going on the battlefields. Destroyed Russian T-80BV with a flying turret. It looks like we haven't seen it before. The president is in Odessa today to meet the commander of the naval forces on their day. Every day I cannot but admire this unique individual. A very successful man, he had a million reasons to disappear, and no one would blame him for it. But he did not back down. He went headfirst into the second most difficult job in the world, the most difficult being the job of a Ukrainian soldier, and sacrificed himself, showing an immense example with his courage. His sacrifice is in his eyes. He is the most attacked person on the planet, but he brushes off the haters with such ease they're left scratching their heads, hoping to find a new line of attack, but it is fruitless. Belarus received nuclear weapons. Belarus is inviting Wagner PMC. It's obvious that Lukashenko's regime and Belarus need more and more attention. On the video, Lukashenko praises Wagner PMC, speaks about their loyalty to him personally, and claims they could fortify Belarus army before they make a coup there too.
То же самое сейчас не из Беларуси. Раздули и раздувают эту проблему ЧВК «Вагнер», частной военизированной компании «Вагнер». Да успокойтесь. Если бы можно их пригласить сюда за их счет, это для нашей армии благо, это самые подготовленные люди. Говорят, там зэки. Послушайте, все военнослужащие, которые там были, осужденные, они уже погибли, к сожалению. И еще один нюанс, который они не хотят объяснять. Осужденные освобождались из мест лишения свободы в России только для Российского фронта. Ни один человек за границу не выезжает. Так кто же они, эти вагнеровцы? Я их знаю давно. С тех пор, помните, как мы 33 богатыря, по-моему, в 2020 году задерживались здесь, под Минском. И они с тех пор, мы их с Богом отпустили, благодарны нам. И за батьку всегда ставят свечку в церкви. Они нам не страшны. Это люди, прошедшие армию, прошедшие войны. Это люди, которые воевали по всему миру за нормальную цивилизацию. Запад их ненавидит на дух. И как только пошел шумок, что вот они тут будут в Беларуси, слушайте, вал звонков от тех, кто нас не признают. Диктатору начали звонить в Беларусь. Это плохая вещь. Это плохой сигнал. А почему плохой? Почему для французов плохой? Потому что эти вагнеровцы в Африке, знаете, в каких странах калашматили этих французов, что только пыль летела. Конечно, им это не нравится. К сожалению, у нас их нет. А если их, ребята, инструкторы, как я говорил уже им, приедут и передадут боевой опыт нам, мы примем этот опыт. Некоторые командиры уже говорят о том, пришлите нам пару инструкторов, пусть помогут, пусть подскажут. И скажу вам абсолютно непопулярную вещь. Армия только тогда армия, когда она воюет.
And many people asked, why are we suddenly covering events in France? Well, it's not only France. We covered the events in Sudan, in Azerbaijan, and Armenia, and much more. We will cover every hot spot on the planet that will look interesting from a military view. And have no doubts, events in France are a war, no matter how someone looks on it. And they are spreading. The riots and looting in France and Belgium spread tonight to Switzerland, too. Stores were looted in the city of Lausanne, and rioters clashed with the riot police. French protesters attacked the home of the mayor and his family. The mayor of the French city of Les-La-Rose said his house was attacked. His wife and child were injured. In fact, the protesters began to hunt for government officials. The attackers rammed my house with a car, then set fire to the car to start a fire in the house where my wife and 2 small children were sleeping, he wrote on Twitter. In the north of France, near the city of Maubeuge.
Yo, la maison!
French nationalists marching in Lyon reportedly this evening.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.